Hi everyone, it's Karen here from Karen's Creation Scrapbooking. I just wanted to show you how you can make this really cute bow with a loop tag really quick and easily, okay? So I have an 18-inch piece of ribbon, and if you want a little loop or a bigger loop, you want a bigger piece of ribbon. So what you're going to do is just make a loop in the center, okay? And I put my, what do you call that, clip for a clothesline, just a mini clip, okay, to hold it, because you don't have three hands. You could put a little glue there. I use my art glitter glue because you're not going to see it at the back, okay, to hold it. And what you're going to use is your 2 forefingers, okay? So you're going to make a loop on both of the sides with your 2 fingers. Put your ribbon around those fingers, okay? And so your thumb and your middle finger are touching together. You're going to tie those loops together. One goes around and through the hole there, and you pull. Okay, keep that paper or the clothesline clip there, and all you have to do to make your bow bigger or smaller is pull the strings down and pull the bow loops together, okay? Pull it down a bit, okay? And now all you have to do is put this through the hole of your tag or your ornament, whatever you're doing. Hold this with your other thumb and pull it through quickly. And play with it a little bit, right? And that makes a cute little bow. I hope that helps you when you're making bows for your ornaments. You could put a little glue there if you want, or you can just leave it and let it hang off your tree. To, from, right, off your bag, staple it to the bag, or whatever you're doing. I hope that helped you out. Take care.